Okay, today we're with Michael Henry. It's a big day today. We've got Officer 5891. This guy is saying Michael attacked him. Hello, Michael.
Hello, mate. You okay, George?
You're okay, mate?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us what about today, please?
I'm here to answer alleged charges for a legal fiction which I no longer have power of attorney over. So I'm actually caught in a crossfire, if you like. Having given power of attorney away to a foreign private trust for the commercial entity Micheal Furlong.
So today in the court, is this a criminal? Is it a Crown Court?
Well, it's a Crown Court, but I'm not too sure whether it's criminal or civil because it's listed under a full caps dog Latin name, which is a commercial name, which I'm no longer authorised to represent. So I'm surmising it is a civil case. So it's going to be commercial interest in the case. So therefore it's civil. I mean, I'm surmising, but there's been no clarity on that. There's been no verified criminal complaint either, and there's been no warrants ever produced.
So today 5891 is claiming what?
He's claiming he's now in the role of constable, but on the video, on the video that you posted, George, he kept giving his name 5891, so he was there in a commercial capacity. The warrants in law, he who makes the claim has the burden of proof. So he's made the claim he had the warrants, and I asked him can I ascertain who's issued the warrants, and he repeatedly failed to produce the warrants. But he's also been to the ex-girlfriend's house with this alleged warrant, and then he's come to my mother's house with this alleged warrant. But as I say, I've never seen the warrant, and there's been several data subject access requests that have gone to the Crown Court, the Ministry of Justice and the police to ascertain the name of the man who's issued the warrant, but they're just saying it was a court. Now, a court's a building, it can't issue nothing, so it just seems to be a bit of a smoke and mirrors, and I'd say a fraud.
So today you'll be in court representing the birth certificates, Michael?
Well, today I'm in court as an unauthorised representative, having signed power of attorney over to a foreign private trust for the commercial entity in the 15th of July 2023. So I'm not really authorised to represent the fiction, but they seem to want me as surety for the bond.
So will you be asking for your own jury today, Michael?
Well, I think they're going to put me down for a jury trial, but I'd like to invoke my rights for the Bill of Rights as a trial by jury, because if the members of the jury are on the electoral register, that will make them state-owned enterprises, so they won't be my peers. They'll be subject to the Crown. Now, a sovereign cannot be subject, so I need sovereign men on my jury, and I'm going to invoke my right to that. But as I say, the courts themselves are unitary, but the Bill of Rights is my protection from a foreign invading governance, namely the Roman unitary corporations. Okay,
so today what are we expecting, Michael, in the court?
I couldn't tell you, George. It's absolutely crazy what's he submitted 6 pages. There's several contradictions in his witness statements. He's gone to 2 different addresses with a warrant that he couldn't provide. The warrants, I know for a fact there isn't a warrant because the power of attorney went in with authority to represent the fiction, and he asked for the oath of office 3 times, and he left the courtroom. So if they don't establish jurisdiction with the oath of office, they can't actually have jurisdiction to issue a warrant, which is, I just need to see this warrant.
I'm just letting you know you won't be allowed to represent.
So what sort of justice is that then?
There's been disturbances on the last occasion.
Has there?
Yeah.
You've got proof of that, have you?
We have got proof of that.
Have you? Well, I've got it on my body cam.
Well, you shouldn't have it on body cam. You should be recording in the courtroom. So.
No, it's outside, so I've got all when you stop.
I'm just letting you know that for the following reasons you will not be permitted to our courtroom today.
That's nothing to do with me. I don't stand under your acts and statutes legislation.
You won't be
That's your company policy. But I'm a witness.
I'm letting you know the reason why.
I'm a witness. You're a fraudster. Now get out my space.
I think they're going to try and do me, because I won't stand as surety, they're probably going to say I never turned to court. But I can't be surety. I've got a fiduciary obligation. I can't be a fiction. I'm a man of flesh and blood. And I require the Bill of Rights, and I require me right to my day in court as a man of flesh and blood.
Right, okay, well, let's see how this pans out.
This is a Nisi Prius court, and it's odious at law. That's how these laws. It's, the law has to be seen to be upheld.
Yeah.
Are you Micheal Furlong? Or any of you Micheal Furlong? Or any of you, Michael Fairlawn? No. Okay, well then take your seat. Thank you.
He's put a not guilty plea in the judge for the fiction.
So what's that mean, Michael?
Well, I'm not authorised to contact for the fiction, so I pulled him on the name. It's in Dograt and Gloucester, which means it's a corporate entity. As pursuant to my paperwork, I give power of attorney away for that corporate entity some time ago. They denied me power of attorney entity to the court, and he wanted me to contact for the name, but I stopped and corrected him, told him I'm a flesh and blood man, and required trial by jury pursuant to the Bill of Rights. He acknowledged that. He said he's going to give me a fair trial, but he put the plea in. I can't plea. He put the plea in as not guilty. But no one could contact in the name of another, so it's a bit bizarre. But he needs a trial, so there had to be a plea put in, but I wasn't the one to put it in. I had to be in breach of fiduciary obligation. So the judge just pleads in the name of another, which is a maximum. He's breached the maximum. No one could contact in the name of another.
So when you back in court, Michael?
September the 1st. But he's
next year?
Yeah, he stopped all the bail conditions.
Brilliant. Done very well there, Michael. Proud of you, mate.
Well,
You
thanks,
stood your ground.
everyone here, thank you very much for coming, you know.
Brilliant. No, thanks to you to educating the public as well, mate. You're a brave man. Thank you.
Thanks very much. I'm not a corporation where the blood flows, the flesh lives. I'm a man, so I'm separating myself from that. It's pursuant to my power of attorney being granted to a private trust, and I resigned from the United Kingdom Corporation pursuant to the treason. They were involved in it 73, Edward Heath, a Federal Commission Order 30-1048. So I don't want to work for the Crown. I don't want to be associated with anybody in treason, and I require a trial by a jury of my peers.